No, I'm kidding.
Man, in this lot, man, everybody need a bird, man. You get what I mean, bro? I'm from the Bronx, nah, I ain't no do nothing, bro.
I'm not even gonna say it.
Like, everybody need a girl, pick up, but Drake has a word, bro. Women, they come, they go, bro.
I'm listening.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you, bro.
Like that, straight.
What am I walking into? For audio purposes, this part cannot be heard. Cannot be heard, otherwise we'll get copyrighted. Yeah, but it was something pretty interesting, as you might know. Yes, at a party and yeah, all of that.
What are you doing?
Okay.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, you missed it. One more. Yeah, look at him. Oh, he got it. Victor, raise his hand. Hey, what is, you good, bro?
Don't post that on YouTube. Have you seen that?
You low-key be scary, bro. I don't know what happened to him today. I propose.
Bro, I thought you had a seizure on the field today.
Me?
Yeah, bro.
What happened?
You shot a ball and you like.
When?
Where the fuck is my phone, Ben?
I hate when you phone.
I'm not.
That's my phone.
No, it's not.
Is she okay?
You're lucky fuck.
No.
We're actually
Not okay.
You had it.
Why are you still recording me, Paul?
Hey, Sebby.
What?
Hey, Sebby. Gavin, Ben,
What?
Blake. Oh, snap. Please don't hit me, my D.
He's not like this on camera, bro.
I recommend.
He looks Spanish, guys.
Hey, shut up, Gav.
Facts.
Cat, big cat.
What time they're talking about how gay?
Hey, okay. Fam. We got this. Does that look intimidating? I think it looks intimidating. Like, with this, if you just... I am Dormammu. Hello. Like, would you get scared? Like, would you get scared?
Yeah. You know, like, I just seem to get
Excuse me, sir. If you saw this, would you be intimidated?
No.
Damn. White people, if they'd be intimidated. Sorry to bother you, ma'am. But if you saw this, would you be intimidated?
It's a little shiny gold.
Damn. 2 for 2, boys. You losing. You're not intimidated at all? Is this not scary? Is this not scary? It's not scary, Dormammu. Got me. Excuse me, ma'am. Damn, bro. She eagled me like that?
Emotional.
That's crazy. How you doing, sir? Excuse me, sir. If you saw this, would you be intimidated? Would you be intimidated?
Sure, I guess, yeah.
Yes. Mission complete. Intimidation is my name. Let's look for one more person. For $1. If you saw me, would you be intimidated? Really, honestly, tell me. For $1, if you saw me, would you be intimidated? Excuse me, ma'am. Sorry to bother your shopping, but if you saw me, would you be intimidated in this mask?
No, but not much intimidates me.
Damn. Have a great day. Damn. I guess that's it. I got speed on me. All right.
Aren't you like scared of dogs?
All right. Hey, bro, that was not funny.
Imagine using your struggling friend as content.
Oh my gosh. Alright, we're gonna end the video on this, man. Thank you for watching the video. Frosty Gang to infinity and beyond, 100K plat. Yeah, we coming.